And of course, another thing that I consistently see you do is you help people get back on the road and have a well working vehicle. Because I know you like to
Yeah,
tinker, so
yeah, I
you're
do like to
constantly
tinker.
working on people's cars
Yeah.
just for fun.
Well, yeah. I mean, people. I don't know how many flat tires I've plugged or told or looked at and said, no, you need new tires. And I've sometimes I've even helped financially to get those new tires as a loan until they can pay for them because you got to get to work, but you can't drive on those tires. They're the bad thing. I've helped a lot with brakes and stuff too. Yeah, I know how to work on cars uh, a little. I'm not gonna rebuild your engine, but you need spark plugs, brakes,
Yeah.
tires, things like that. Oil change. I can help out with that, and I'm happy to do so. As long as I have the time and we have the resources to get it done. Um, it's little things like that that go a long way in with people. People take things like that, just taking the time to work on their vehicle because they don't have the money to take it to a shop. They don't have the know how to do it themselves. And a lot of the time when I'm working on somebody's car, I try and make sure that they're there with me. Whether they learn how to do it or not, they at least get exposed to what it is and kind of I, I try and help them learn and show them that it's really not that difficult if you just assess the situation properly. And YouTube is a great resource too, because that has shown me how to do a lot of jobs.